So in this video we will be covering all the detailed review about this watch. So I've been using this for approximately 5 days or so, approximately a week. So I've written down all of my observations here, but before that, before doing all of this, we'll be just going straight back to a point where some point in the past where the unboxing happened, and then come back here again. Hello everyone, welcome to techreview.com, and this is Jyotirat from techreview.com, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing of this Realme Tech Life Watch SZ100, and we'll have a look what this one comes with inside the box. But before that, let's have a quick look what are the features that they are talking about. So they are talking about the features like 24 sports modes. Let me just bring this close to the camera a little bit so that you can see. They're talking about 24 plus sports modes, and they're talking about 100 plus stylish watch faces, 12-day battery life, and there is 1.69-inch large color display. There's skin temperature measure and monitor, and blood oxygen and heart rate monitor. So inside the box it comes with one smartwatch, one charging base, and one user manual. So since there's not much of stuff to unbox, what I will do is I will also be covering lots of other stuffs in this video, like how good is the display, how does it perform in outdoor lighting conditions. Apart from that, I will also be testing the battery life and also be covering that as well in this video, and also I'll be showing you how good is the UI and how to sync it with the Realme Fit app. So lots of stuff, so stay till the end of this video, don't leave, and you will get answers to lots of your questions in this video. So let's quickly unbox this one. So this is the one, so I will quickly break this seal. So this comes with this packaging. So this is the watch itself. Okay, so there is this magnetic charging cable. I don't like this one at all. This is this user guide. If you want, you can actually read this one, but it's of no use to me. For warranty registration, you can register the warranty online itself. So this is the magnetic charging cable. What I will do quickly is, the strap quality is actually good. One thing I noticed inside this box is they have marked the pricing as 3,910. That is not the case. I got this one from Amazon at 2,500, so it's almost 2,499. Strap quality is actually good. This is actually good, and it looks a little bit different. But what I wanted to see is how is the quality of the charging cable. So I'll quickly remove this one. So this is the cable. I will attach it to this one. Yeah, so this seems hard actually. This one is actually strong. I mean, right now currently I am wearing this Noise Color Fit Pulse to Max. Let me show you in order to give you an example. This one has a magnetic charging cable, and that is not very strong. As you can see, it simply came off. So that is not the case with this one. This is pretty loose. But if you consider this one, that is this Realme watch, this is pretty strong. And also, if I just talk about the build quality, they're also talking about the aluminum build, the metallic build on this one. This is actually of good build quality. I will just turn this on and see how does it look like. So it actually gave me a haptic feedback, and it comes with Realme Tech Lifestyle logo, scan to bind. So this is actually prompting you to connect it to the Realme Fit app. So what I will do is I will connect it and set it up, and then continue again. So basically guys, I am back after setting this one and linking with the Realme Fit app. So basically what you need to do is to go to this Google Play Store and type here Realme Fit. And after you get hold of this Realme Fit, you need to install. In my case, I have already installed this one. Let me open and show you up. So basically with this one, you can see lots of things, like this is the Tech Life Watch SZ100. It's showing you. So let me bring it close to the camera. So these are the different options that you are getting, like watch faces, heart rate monitoring, all of this stuff. Basically this is the watch face. So this is the basic watch face that you will be getting with this one. So if you swipe up from the bottom, you get this body temperature, workout, activity records, heart rate, SpO2 monitor, activities, sleep cycle, notifications, weather, breathe, music control, alarm, timer, stopwatch, camera, flashlight, find my phone settings. First I will go to these settings. Okay, let me just wait, just let me go to this watch screen. So if you just swipe left, you will be getting this control center. It's going showing me 83%. Note that I have not charged even a single bit after unboxing this one. So currently it's showing me 83%. So this is the DND option. So this is DND, this is the brightness. So you have 4 levels of brightness: 100, 25%, 50, 75% and 100. So 100%, this is your flashlight, so you can turn it off or on as per your requirement. So this is your flashlight. Then this is the settings. So first one is the dial one. So what you can do is you can change the dials with this one. So this is the default dial. This is the second one that you can. Again, apart from this, you get lots and lots of watch faces from the app itself. I'll be showing you with the Realme Fit app. This is screen timeout. By default it comes with 5 seconds. 5 seconds is pretty less, so I've kept it to 15 seconds. Then you have something called as the theme. Now theme is list and grid. So by default it comes with this list one. Let me show you what how it looks like if you choose this grid view. So this is actually the menu view, and it looks something like this. You have this vibration strength, how strong you want this, this haptic feedback to be. Like, do you want it high, medium or low? Again, once you choose the options, it will show you. It's actually giving me that haptics, and I'm able to know like how does the vibration intensity feel like. This is do not disturb. This rest to turn on, rest to wake up is a very useful feature, and by default it's turned on. So this is about the watch. This is the software version. And interestingly, when I initially bind this watch with my Realme Fit app, it actually gave me a first firmware update, which is actually a good thing. So you don't have to get worried about time to time firmware updates. So swiping right, you get some data about this one. This is 39 steps. So basically this is not very much accurate, as you know. So this is giving you the stats, the kilocalories burned, and what else. This is the skin temperature measurer. Then you have this this sleep cycle tracker. Then this is actually your heart rate monitor, and this is the weather, you can see, and this is your music control. So another interesting thing I noticed with this one, so if you just go to the basic menu, this is body temperature, it will show you workout. So these are the sport modes that you get. Compared to other, I'm finding the screen to be actually very smooth. You see the scrolling is very smooth, so you get lots and lots of more activity records. This is the activity records that you can get with this one. This is the heart rate, this is the SpO2, this is the sleep, notifications, breathe, like different types of controls. This is the music, this is alarm, you can set your alarm. Stopwatch. This is camera. Let me show you how this one works. This actually works like a shutter button to your stock camera app. This is actually helpful. Let me show you. Let me bring you my device. This so basically this actually works like a shutter. So this is currently like this. So if I just tap on this one, it will take a photograph. So while taking the photograph, it actually gave me a haptic feedback. So you feel that vibration when you press this shutter. And for some of smartwatch brands, what happens is you can control this camera shutter from the app itself, but the good thing is for this one you can directly get control of your stock camera app, and this becomes very helpful if you're taking group selfies. So this is a nice shutter button. So let's have a quick look. So before that, let me measure any one of this. This is the skin temperature. So this will measure the skin temperature. Let me just try this one once. So I've worn this one. Let me see if it detects or not. You need to wait for at least, okay, it has detected 33.3 degrees and body temperature is, so skin temperature is 30.2 and body temperature is 36.1. So yes, that is how you can measure this one. Let me quickly get back to the app and show you what it is like. So so from here you get lots of options. Watch faces. Let me go back to this watch face. You can see this is sporty, this is illustration, lots of mechanical, numbers, space, and lots of things. You can go to this heart rate monitoring. This actually shows the heart rate data. I have not measured any. Body temperature settings, you have lots of options like auto test, period, body test warning, and unit and all. Body oxygen setting, then call reminder, SMS reminder. As per your requirement, you can do. This is a drink reminder is there. So I will be before posting a my complete experience about this one, I will be testing all of these ones, and after using it for quite a few days, I can comment about this one. So first, if I have to talk about the display, so this is the display of this watch. As you can see, this is outdoors. I am using it. This is in full brightness. Let me show you. This is in 100% brightness. So the thing is, it's adequately bright. I never had any issues or whatsoever with this one. and so display is adequate. You won't have any kind of issues if you are planning to use it outdoors. Now next thing I want to talk about is the build quality. Now this one actually, as I said during the unboxing as well, the build quality of this one is pretty good. Like finish is actually pretty strong. In fact, if you just have any kind of collisions during the crowding area or not, so you don't have to worry about whatsoever. So the build quality is pretty much appreciable. So apart from that, if you end up liking what you see, please subscribe to our channel. And in case if you don't know about our website yet, please go through our website, which is techreview.com. Go to Google and search Technolodda, and the first result you will be getting is techreview.com. Apart from that, you can simply visit www.techreview.com to get access to more of such videos and more of such tech content. The watch UI. So I have been using it for a while. So I have been recording all observations in my phone, as I discussed previously as well. So basically the grid layout, it actually looks pretty nice. Apart from that, you have that list layout. Apart from that, the race to wake up is very fast, that I found out. For some watches it happens like the race to wake up is turned on. It takes a little bit of time to turn that thing. But that is not the case. The race to turn on is very fast on this one. Apart from that, there are a few other things as well. I did not like the music control a little. So this is the music control. So basically it makes use of the Bluetooth in order to connect this one. So you can connect it to the default music player, and apart from that default music player, you can connect it to Jio7 or Spotify. But what I found out is you can pause play this thing, or you can actually shift to other song and even increase or decrease the volume. But the problem is, in my case, I don't know if it did not connect or what. In my case, what happened is I was not able to see the song here, so I don't know why that was happening. So that was a little bit weird. But apart from that, basically with the help of Bluetooth connectivity, it is making use of others like camera shutter and music and whatsoever. So camera shutter I already showed in the unboxing. The app and watch sync. So if I have to talk about the app and watch, the syncing is very fast. The moment you connect it to the watch, the syncing is pretty fast on the app, so there is no issues or whatsoever. So the Bluetooth connection is also pretty fast. Upon connecting it to the Bluetooth, it will show you that connection successful thing. Let me just show you the app UI, which is something which I like. So this is the Realme Fit app. So whatever you record there, this is the home tab, and whatever you are recording in this one, so this is being shown here. This is like the entire UI is being shown here. So apart from that, if I have to talk about the sports tab, so like this sports tab is also interesting. This actually measures, I did some walking and stuff, so this was something which was being shown. So you can make use of this thing. So apart from that, there was no issues with this one, and there are plenty of watch faces to choose from. So these are few things which you can see. And apart from that, if I have to talk about the SpO2 monitoring and heart rate, though I found the heart rate to be fairly accurate. At this price point, I cannot complain much. Important that I want to talk about is the battery life on this one. The battery life on this one is pretty good. I was not expecting this much. Of course, they are claiming around 12 days of battery life, but if you are someone who is constantly using the sensors, like I have been using it rigorously, like I have been syncing it with the app and doing lots of things. So if you are doing so many things, then I have used it for almost 5 days, and currently it's almost 44% battery life. This is around the 5th day, so easily I can say around a week it will last with like moderate usage as well. So yes, it's not 12-day battery life as they are claiming, but easily 7 to 8 days it can last. Apart from that, if I have to talk about other features, this also comes with IP68 rating. So this is the dust and water resistance. So with small splashes of water, there won't be any other problem. Now, if I talk about the final verdict, what I feel about this one, so that is something which I feel that first I talk about the positive. The positives among this is obviously the build quality, the metallic finish. I have been talking about it lots of times. I told it previously as well. Good build, and the battery life is also impressive. Apart from that, the strap quality and battery life is good. You are getting skin temperature and body temperature monitor at this price point. Apart from that, these are the positive ones, and some handy Bluetooth features like camera shutter and all, they are also good. But apart from that, if I have to talk about the negatives, this is not the largest display at this price point. This is 1.7 inch, and you can get at around 2500 rupees, that is 2499. You get around 1.9 inch displays, 1.85 inch. Those are much larger display watches, and obviously the larger the display, the better the smartwatch looks. So basically, display is a con on this one. This is not small by any chance, but considering other watches at this price point from Noise and other competitors, this is a smaller one. So the display is a con, and also at this price point, you get around Bluetooth calling and stuff at this price point, so that is not present on this one. So if you are someone who is looking for a smartwatch with Bluetooth calling, this is not the watch to go for. Apart from that, there are other things which are definitely good. So if you want like a decent enough smartwatch at around 2.5k price point, this is the one to go for. By the way guys, are you or any of your friends or relatives looking forward to buy any kind of audio accessories like TWS or neckband? Then there's one Black Friday sale which is going on at boAt, and you can get flat 300 and 200 off on boAt accessories, on selected boAt accessories like TWS or neckband. But obviously for that you need to use one coupon code, which is BOAT 300 or BOAT 200, and you can get flat 300 and 200 respectively on these coupon codes. And what are you waiting for? Check out that link and share this one with your friends or family who is interested in buying, and use these coupon codes during checkout. And as for this video, thanks for watching till the end, and by the time we meet you in the next one, have a good time.